deep, dark, and effortlessly cool. This is the Blackberry Mojito. Start with half a lime sliced into wedges. The citrus oil released here is what wakes up every other flavor in the glass. Drop the lime wedges in, followed by 5 ripe blackberries. Let them sit together for a moment. 1 ounce of simple syrup. Just enough sweetness to round out the tartness. 8 leaves, muddle gently. You're releasing the oils, not pulverizing the leaves. 2 ounces of rum, poured slowly over everything. Fill it with ice and shake with real intent. You want this cold, aerated, fully combined. Fresh ice packed into a tall glass. Now strain it in slowly, letting the blackberries settle at the bottom. That gradient you're seeing, that's not an accident, that's technique. Top it off with soda water for that final lift of carbonation. And if you're loving this one, hit like and subscribe. More drinks like this are coming. 1 gentle stir to bring it all together. A single blackberry and mint sprig on top. Bold, fruity, refreshing. The Blackberry Mojito. Sophisticated enough for any night worth remembering.